Do you want to add your LinkedIn leads directly into your Google Sheets automatically? Then this video is just for you. Let me show you how it will be done. I will generate a new LinkedIn lead in front of you. So for the email address of my lead, I'll write it as test4433@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number of my lead, I will enter a dummy phone number. And the name is Pabbly and the company name is Magnet Brains. I will submit this lead from here. As now this LinkedIn lead has been generated, within few seconds you will find the record of the leads. Data will be added in Google Sheets as well. Pabbly phone number is the same number. You can see the email is test4433@pabblytudes.com and this is the company name. So this is how this setup is going to work in real time. In this video, within 5 minutes, I will tell you how you can also create this automation right away using the software Pabbly Connect. Now I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page. If you are planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, the coupon code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase. Go ahead, use the code. Now after coming to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, in order to create the workflow, go to this create workflow option and select the option of create using AI. Now after going to create using AI, what's my requirement? I want to add my LinkedIn leads in Google Sheets. So I will write over here, LinkedIn leads to Google Sheets. Okay, so I'll send this request that I want towards this AI, and this AI will ask me to select certain events I want in my LinkedIn. As soon as a lead is going to come, the record should be added in Google Sheets. So this is what I wanted. I've selected that and I'll create and approve and open this workflow from here. The workflow has been created. Now let's simply build the connections. For this LinkedIn step, I will simply go towards the step and click on this connect button. I will add a new connection. Simply click on this connect with LinkedIn button. It is going to ask us to log into our LinkedIn account, enter your email address and your password, and simply sign into your LinkedIn account from here. And as soon as you will do that, automatically LinkedIn is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. If you don't see your sponsored account, like I don't see it, you have to simply refresh this field once and you will see the sponsored account. My sponsored account is in the name of Pabbly Ad Accounts. I'll select this sponsored account and click on this save and send test request button. After that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether LinkedIn is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will again generate a new test LinkedIn lead and check whether my trigger captures the response of the lead or not. So this is my LinkedIn lead ad. I'll apply it from here. For the email address, I'll write it as new@pabblytudes.com as my lead's email address. And for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number. After that, the first name is Pabbly, last name is Dot, and the company name is Magnet Brains. I don't have a paid LinkedIn lead ad running right now. That is why these details right over here, first name, last name, and the company name is pre-filled. Okay. But if you have a paid ad running, the lead can enter the details right here manually. I will submit this test lead from here. As now the LinkedIn lead has been generated, within few seconds you will find the response of the lead that you have generated right now is going to be captured in the trigger. So it will take few seconds for the response to arrive. So I'm going to wait. So as now the leads data has been captured, new@pabblytudes.com, the same phone number, name Pabbly company Magnet Brains. Now let's add the leads details in Google Sheets. Now to create the connection, click on this connect button, click on the add new connection option, click on this sign in with Google button. Now this is the account with the help of which I've created my spreadsheet. So I'll select this account from here and then I'm going to give access to the account as this is a safe process. Now we need to select the spreadsheet and the sheet once. Spreadsheet is in the name of LinkedIn lead details and the sheet is in the name of sheet 1. So I will select the respective details from here. After selecting, you will see the headers of your spreadsheet is going to appear in Pabbly Connect just like this. Now we need to enter the details right here of our lead. Now for the data of these fields, we'll map the data. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. As I want to map the data of the name, I'll search for the name and this is the first name of my lead that I want to create as a record in Google Sheets. So I'll select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, this response will be updated right here as well. Let me map in the other details and show you. After adding all the details, simply click on the save and send test request button. You will receive this response. In your Google Sheets, you will see the record has been created. The same different phone number, email is new@pabblytudes.com. As now this record has been created, this is how you build the connection between LinkedIn leads and Google Sheets without need of any coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. The code ANGYT will help you to get instant discounts on the purchase of our yearly or lifetime plans. So go ahead, use the code code as well. So this was it for this video. If you have questions or doubts, you need to comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. The free template of this workflow is added in the description section. Go ahead and use it. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.